Okay, so put your name at the top. And then what block do you have me? Third period, yep. Okay, so we have to answer these questions, and I brought this worksheet to help because it highlights the parts of the food label. Okay, do you remember looking at this in class?
Yeah, I do.
Okay, so we've got the highlighted worksheet, and we are answering questions such as what is the serving size, what is the calorie amount per serving, off of a given food label. And Yanisa here is going to use the guide that I just showed the camera, that is color coded to highlight serving size, calories, different items on a food label that maybe everybody should try to avoid, different nutrients that people should try to get more of, and then the recommended daily amount for each nutrient based on their 2,000 calorie diet. Okay, so we're gonna look at your accommodations state, extended time, and a reader. Okay, so I'm going to read each question to you, and this is an assignment that you've received extended time on. Okay, because it was due recently, but you have not turned it in yet, and you need help. Okay, so can you tell me, for the first question, what is the serving size? Looking at this food label over here, where do you find the serving size? Is it at the top, the middle, the bottom?
It's at the top.
At the top, okay. So what does it say for serving size?
1 cup.
Okay, 1 cup. So that's what you're gonna do, is write your answer right there for the first one. Good. Your next question, what is the calorie amount per serving? So remember, for one food label gives you the information for one serving.
280.
Good job. Okay, next question. How much fat is in one serving? So find fat.
9
What is
9 grams.
Yes, good job. So that's what you'd put for that answer. Okay, our next question. How many carbohydrates are in one serving? So you gotta find carbohydrates.
34 grams.
Good. Okay, 34 grams. And then what percentage of your daily value of vitamin C is in that serving on that? So where would you find the vitamins? The top, middle, or kind of towards the bottom?
The bottom.
Did you find it? The vitamin C? It might be towards the vitamin. See how it, or towards the bottom. See how they're listed down here on this one?
Is it calcium?
Let me see, let's see. See if we can see it. Yeah, let's do it. Let's do that one. Yes. So what's the calcium?
320.
Is that the percentage?
No.
What's the percentage? The
25%.
Yeah. Good job. So that's what you're gonna put there. Good. No, that's good. Good job. Okay, how many grams of sugar are in this serving? So now we gotta find sugar.
320.
Where would we find sugar? It's kind of having us jump around now on that food label.
5 grams.
Okay, good. Okay, what percentage of your daily sodium is in one serving? What word do you think we should highlight or underline in this sentence? Are we looking for grams or are we looking for percentage?
Percentage.
Good. So when you go over here to look, remember you're looking for percentage, and we're looking for sodium.
37%.
Good. Okay, we're gonna come back to this one because I want you to answer that one on your own when we come back, okay?
Okay.
So asking you if you should eat this food regularly or only occasionally, and then why or why not, and we're gonna come back to that, okay? Right now we're gonna focus on just answering questions about the food label itself, okay? So we're gonna move down to the next section, which has a food label for some, what is that?
Lentil soup.
Some lentil soup. Okay, so we're gonna answer some of the same questions. What is the serving size? So this one's a little different because it does have 2 columns, okay? And one is for before you prepare it, and then one is for after you prepare the soup, okay? But is the serving size still the same for the whole thing?
Yeah.
Yep, okay. So what is the serving size? What does it say?
It's like 1 can for 11 grams.
So it's 1 can, but it's also, that's saying that 1 can is equal to that 411 grams, okay? So put that answer right there for that first one. Good job. Okay, what is the calorie amount per serving? So that's asking how many calories are in each serving. Is there 1 or 2 answers?
2.
2, right? Because we've got before you prepare it and then after you prepare it. So you're going to have 2 answers for this one. What are the answers?
180 and 300.
Good job. So you'll put 180 and 300. Okay, the next one is how much fat is in 1 serving? So we're gonna have 2 answers for that one too?
Yes.
Okay, so find fat and then tell me how much fat is in 1 serving of the before it's prepared and 1 serving after it's prepared.
8%.
Not the percent. Is there a different unit?
6 grams.
Okay, good. So that's the first one, right?
Yes.
Okay. And then what about the second answer?
10 grams.
Good. Good job. You're doing really good. How many carbohydrates are in 1 serving? Are we gonna have 2 answers again? Yeah? Or no? Okay. So see if you can find this for me. Do you see carbohydrates on there?
24 grams.
Okay, good. And then was there another answer?
40 grams.
Good. Good job. Okay, what percentage, remember, are we looking for grams or are we looking for percentage?
Percentage.
Okay, percentage of your daily value of vitamin C is in the serving. Okay, so we gotta find vitamin C, which is usually towards the middle or towards the bottom?
The bottom.
The bottom, okay, because we're using our guide over here, right? Okay, so do you see vitamin C on there towards the bottom?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is it 4%?
Okay, good, yep. And you should have two answers, right? So 4% is the first one, and then what's your second answer?
4% again.
Another 4% again?
Yeah.
Okay. Good. Good job.